Welcome again.
Thank you.
Obviously you guys enjoyed it last week.
Yeah.
We're pretty limited on spaces, but as you can see, a couple cars just left. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get you guys parked together.
All right, no worries.
All right.
And now I look like an idiot with this camera on my head. Yeah. I do have it on my head, thank you.
You're too young to be driving this, young man.
No burnouts.
20 points.
What's that?
20 points for him.
I'm just turning around.
You can afford an ACURA.
Run him over.
horsepower in here?
390.
390?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like fucking 70 more than my car. You know what? Straightaways for sure, but corners I'd get you.
What do you got?
All-wheel drive, fucking yeah.
What do you got?
Nice Acura.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's why he said it when he passed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just being an asshole.
Oh, no worries.
I tried.
Right next to this Yanko.
At the jukebox diner, you know where it is. They got all this there, Johnny Cash and all those 50s cats. And so you come in and eat their food, and if you bring a car to the show, they will eat the tax for you. That's right. It's a tax-free burger. Everybody likes a tax-free burger. Saving money is good. Anyways, get your 50/50 tickets. They're about 45 minutes or so. Left where you get your 50/50 tickets. Somebody's gonna walk home with some cash. I can't win, unfortunately.
I'm sure it's standard. Dump the clutch in.
Black and white, or white and black, or just black. These new bumper inserts are looking real nice, I gotta say so myself. And I'm parked next to a Yanko.
Wonderful sponsors who help us out down here every Tuesday. Carmine's Pizzeria Italiano. You like real pie? $10 off a large pizza. If you have number 39, hopefully this is not her husband's ticket. 391-0866. 391-0866. Alright, so moving right along here. Number 391-0735. $10 off a pizza.
That was an alright show. Most of the same cars are still there, but still a fun drive. Look at that guy. Jesus Christ. Ooh. a lot better.